Welcome back to the Miele kitchen at Appliance Factory Fine Lines. We're at the Zuni location. I'm with Keith, our Miele expert, and you're going to tell me about this feature that I can't wrap my head around it. It's called Ready By?
Ready At.
Ready At. Okay.
Ready By works too, but Ready At is what it's going to say on your menu on your oven.
What does that mean?
So if you're entertaining for Thanksgiving, for example, there's a lot going on. You might not be able to necessarily keep a perfect eye on your whole turkey roasting in the oven. So instead, you can have your convection oven and this wireless roast probe. Keep an eye on it for you and make sure that the oven is hot enough or not too hot so that it's ready at exactly the time you say.
So let me get this right. I want my turkey ready at 12:30 because we're eating at 1. This will heat up the oven, cook the turkey, and then cool the oven down and hold it warm and be ready at whatever time I tell it.
Exactly.
So I could put the turkey in here at 6 a.m., go do my turkey trot, go to the wine store, go buy a bag of ice, come back confident that the turkey's going to be ready.
Exactly, 100%. Yeah,
okay.
This meat thermometer that does not require batteries or recharging will constantly talk to the oven and share information, including how fast whatever it is you're cooking's been heating up. The oven then uses some kind of formula and figures out, it's called science. Science. It uses science to figure out when that food is going to finish and then make necessary adjustments. If the oven finds, this is a bigger turkey than I was thinking, it's going to be 12:45 before it's done, it'll turn the oven up, and vice versa. It's smaller, it's heating up faster, it'll reduce the temperature of the oven. When you're using this probe, just make sure it goes in the back left corner of the oven. Back left, that's where the sensor is, and then I'm just going to pick whatever operating mode I would use for my turkey. So we could go to auto roast, and it's gonna pick whatever temperature I'd like, and I can go to this timer here, Ready At, and then you see there's a little PM, so we want this to be ready. 3:10 is a little bit
too late for Thanksgiving.
Yeah. So we'll say we could do whatever time we wanted.
Okay.
And 6:10 dinner time. It's 3:10 now. Press OK, and this will start. Our auto roast has a rapid searing phase. It'll ask us if we want to cook with the probe. Of course we do. Set whatever internal temperature you want the turkey to go to. I'll defer to Chef on that.
Yeah, so 165. I'm thinking I usually go 160, but I think this is clever enough to get the carryover right. So we'll go 165.
Yeah. So this auto roast will give you a rapid searing phase where the oven goes to its maximum temperature, sears the outside, and then we'll drop down to my specified 410 degree roasting temperature after that rapid searing phase has ended. The meat thermometer readout is here. It'll give you a progressive readout once something's actually cooking, and you can keep it on where it's at, when it'll finish, all that fun stuff.
You hear that, people? If you're in charge of the turkey this year for Thanksgiving, you have been replaced. All right. Well, another pretty cool innovation from Miele Appliances. Stay tuned for more.